Madhuri is asking, hello AJ sir, I really want to tell you that I started my LOA journey with you. My first ever manifestation is that yellow small dog in 2020. Awesome. Thank you so much Madhuri for being part of our tribe. And those of you who have manifested yellow dog, do let me know in the comment. Now the question is, but currently I really need your help because I'm manifesting something big in my life, but due to few circumstances, I feel low and negative because of some situation and I really need this time. Can you please help me out in this situation? Yes, so many of you have this similar situation where when you are manifesting something small or manifesting like a yellow duck, it works so beautifully. Now, why I have created those kind of experiment on our channel to let all of you understand that when there is no resistance and when there is nothing holding you back, how easy it is for you to manifest. Now if you guys want me to create more manifestation videos like that, 24-hour manifestation, 48-hour manifestations, then do let me know in the comments so that I can make more videos like that. Now, why this kind of small manifestation works so beautifully, while sometimes when you set your goal on manifesting something big, you get it into the trouble, right? You start struggling. First of all, when we are manifesting something important or something big in our life, the moment we say that I'm manifesting something big, we tend to activate all the resistance inside our mind. The moment we say big, means deep down when we are saying something big, means deep down there is a belief which says big means you have to work a lot, big means there will be struggle, big means there will be fight, big means friction. So some resistance shows up. Now there are people, and there are many people in our tribe who can easily even manifest the big thing. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes it takes a lot of effort, hard work and all, but the manifestation is happening. There is nothing wrong, there is nothing stopping them from manifesting. But then others like Madhuri who are struggling, it's because the moment you are saying big, you have a lot of resistances, you have a lot of negative beliefs inside your mind that you are activating. And now what is happening, rather than understanding those negative beliefs, rather than understanding those resistances, rather than understanding what is stopping you, you are focusing on the side that, oh, it's big and it's not getting manifested, it's big, it's not getting manifested, and you are feeding more and more and more to your negativity, more to your resistances, more to your negative beliefs. And that's why the moment you are thinking about the big manifestation, you are feeling stressed out, you are feeling sad, you are feeling desperate, you are feeling weak. And the more negative you are feeling, the more you are pushing away your manifestation from you. The more negative or resistance you are feeling, the less you are going to get it. So what you have to do is, whenever you are thinking about something big and you start feeling this negativity, take some time and ask yourself, maybe you can note it down in your journal, what are the negative feelings you are feeling? And then you can start doing some affirmation, some processes, some tools, techniques, maybe 555 technique. Maybe you can join one of our program on Big Manifestation Academy to reprogram your mind so that you have positive beliefs towards this manifestation. You have positive beliefs towards this big goal that you have. You have some positive beliefs toward this big things that you are manifesting. So that when your beliefs are positive, then your vibration will become positive. Then whenever you think about this dream, whenever you think about this success, whenever you work for this dream, you should feel excited, you should feel positive, you should feel joyful. And if you are not feeling positive and joyful and excited, ask yourself what is wrong. One more thing you can do is that whenever you see other people have these dreams, other people have this manifestation, be happy for them. Many times people make this mistake, and so many people make this mistake. That's why I'm saying it with so much of focus, that I have seen people when they want something big and they have a lot of negativity and they are not manifesting it, when they see someone have it or someone have manifested it, they feel either sad for themselves, they feel either lack for themselves, or they feel jealous of that person, or they start criticizing that person. And that's not a good way to manifest your dream. Whenever you see someone having what you are desiring, someone having what you are manifesting, someone having something similar what you are manifesting, be happy for them, be grateful for them, be happy with the universe for showing it to you, for giving you this sign to you, and if possible, bless this person from your heart, bless those people from your heart. That's how you can dissolve your resistance and you can activate the law of attraction for attracting all these things into your life. So if you are struggling to manifest anything big, work on your belief system, recognize your beliefs, change your vibration, make your vibration positive, bless those who are having it, and then you will see so many doors will open. If this answer has inspired you, do one thing, like this video and comment and let me know so that the YouTube will recommend our video to more people. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do hit the subscribe button. Let's go to the next question. Are you all loving it? Yes or yes? Now the next question is from Jyoti. Jyoti is asking, thank you so much, sir, for coming back. Thank you. I'm always having negative thoughts and it will manifest fast. Please tell me and help me to come over negative thoughts. Okay, basically she has two particular question. When negative thought is there, it is manifesting very fast. Now going back to the principle of law of attraction, wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows and that's what you manifest. Now why negative things get manifested faster? Because there is absolutely no resistance, there is absolutely no doubt. And once one of my mentor, Mr. Jack Canfield, and all of you know Jack Canfield, right? He's my mentor, and Mr. Les Brown is. So once Mr. Jack Canfield said this in his Train the Trainer workshop that we are doing together, and he said, like, whenever you say something negative to people, many people believe in it and accept it. Because why? They are already doubtful about themselves. They are already negative about themselves. Even sometimes people are like this, that even if you give compliment to them, they doubt it because they are already full of doubts. So he did this experiment. He was conducting this workshop. And that is, this lady was sitting in the front row and he walked up to her and said, you are looking stupid. And this lady was a bit shocked because Mr. Jack Canfield is such a positive guy and such an amazing speaker and trainer, and he's saying this, means she was like already shocked. And like, so he said, this is the example. When someone gives you anything negative, why most of the time you accept it or you start doubting yourself, and you must be thinking that, oh, what have I done that this person is calling me stupid or bad or something negative, and you start doubting yourself. But let's suppose if you are someone who is full of positivity, who is full of self-confidence, self-esteem, then if someone is coming to you and say, hey, you are stupid, you are not going to accept it because you know that you are someone good, you have confidence, you are not stupid, and you are not negative. So same things works in law of attraction. When we think anything negative, or when we hear something negative, when something says something negative to you, you don't doubt it. That's why it gets manifested fast. But when you want to manifest something positive, when you think about something positive, you get all the doubts, like from where it is going to come, how it is going to come, what if it will not going to come, and all these things comes into your mind. So that's why what you have to do is, when you are manifesting something, that's why I keep asking to cultivate positive vibration, positive belief. The more positive belief you cultivate, the faster you can manifest. The more positive vibration you have, the faster you can manifest. That's why it's so important for all of you to be as much positive as you can. Okay, you don't have to be 100% positive all the time. No one can be. All of us are human. But Try to be as much positive as possible, and especially whenever you are feeling negative or thinking negative about something. The moment you recognize something negative is going on, immediately change your self-talk, immediately change your thought process, immediately switch it and focus on something positive. That is one of the best way to overcome negativity. That is one of the best way to change negativity into positivity. One of the best ways again to change your self-talk, doing affirmation, meditating, being mindful. There are many things you can do to become positive, but key is to recognize and catch when you are thinking negative and start flipping it. Yes, that's the best way. So that's all for today. And those of you who are not yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. Ask your questions in the comment section so that I can reply and give you all the insights and wisdom in the upcoming episodes. And most importantly, when you like, comment and share, YouTube will recommend our videos to more and more people so that more people just like you find the solution to their life, manifest their dream, and will add more success stories to the book of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.